Hey everybody, CrimsonMune here, and super excited that my MSI laptop has just arrived a day early. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing so that I can actually just get into it and start to enjoy it. And eventually I'll do a little review of it as well. Yeah, let's open this up and see what it's like. We're here with an MSI GE63 Raider RGB 15.6-inch premium RGB gaming laptop. It has an NVIDIA RTX 2060 6 gig graphics card, 144 Hz 3 milliseconds display, an Intel i7 8750H 6-core processor, 16 gigs of RAM, and a 256 gigs solid-state drive with a 1 terabyte drive combined. It has per key RGB, Windows 10, and comes in an aluminum black cover. Bought this off of Amazon. Got here in just 2 days. Delivered through Amazon by excaliburpc.com, so check them out. And yeah, it came in about $250 cheaper than it would have otherwise. So got this bad boy for $1,750 before taxes. Normally it's running about $2,000. So yeah, this is my first gaming laptop or PC. It's my first gaming laptop ever. It's my first PC that I've had in over a decade. So very excited to open this guy up and see what we're actually working with here. So let's cut this. Nice. All right, look at that. That is in the style of CrimsonMune if I ever saw it. Nice all black box with red MSI lettering, dragon crest symbol on the cover, as you can see. There's a lot of glare, but all right, let's open this up. Oh, it even has a little handle here, so can lift it up like that. Cool. All right. Cut that. All right. So you can see it's pretty much the laptop right there in the center, and yeah, pretty low amount of styrofoam packaging around it. Move this. Let's see what we got here. All right, so on the side here we have the power supply, looks like. Got some weight to it, but it's not too bad. It's definitely bigger than, the MacBook Pro power supply that I currently have, but not really that much bigger. And wow, this actually feels very light. I'm surprised. Yeah, this is very light. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in here. It's, just a little manual. And I think that's it. Yeah, power supply manual. All right, let's get this off the table. All right, so let's open this up here. Okay. So it's actually, the laptop itself is in a kind of, I don't know what you'd call this, but some sort of extra little black bag. There we go. All right. So let's adjust the camera here. Awesome. Yeah, this is so light. All right. I know people like this. I weirdly like it too. So let's do a little peel here. I'll start at this corner for you. So shiny. Okay, what do we got here? Okay, another peel. Oh. Not as satisfying, is it? Nice. All right, let's open this thing up. Okay. Great. So, little cover for the keyboard. Seems like this cover is actually something I could keep. I don't know if this is meant to cover the keyboard all the time, or if it's just meant to be a micro cloth for the screen. Not sure, but okay. A piece of protective trash. All right, and the only other peely thing I see is up here for the webcam. And it's so small, I don't know if you can even see it. And I also don't know if I can get it off. I'm going to be very careful here. All right. Peeled that little webcam cover off. All right, so this is the MSI GE63 Raider. Yeah, this is the unboxing of it. So you can see it's got like a slightly off-center trackpad here with two different, right and left click. Again, it's got actually a full keyboard, so you can see it's got the number pad on the side, which means that, in a sense, the main keys are also offset. And I'm eventually going to do an actual review. This is the unboxing, so I'll show more about the laptop once I get into it more. But yeah, every key will be individually lit and customizable. And yeah, this is a powerhouse. And I wish I could tell you, but I mean, this thing is very light. Actually, I'm surprised. Gaming laptops can often be, quite large, but this actually, feels very light. It also, very just kind of black, simple, with little logo and crest on the front. So I'm going to use this for both work and play. And yeah, it won't necessarily look like a gaming laptop, but this thing's powerful. It's rated one of the best, if not the best, laptop and laptop brand for gaming in 2018. All right, well, that's the unboxing of this MSI GE63 15.6-inch gaming laptop that I got on Amazon.com for $17.50. So excited to get into it. Keep an eye out for a forthcoming video when I'll do a little review just how I'm liking it and some of the features that I've discovered. But until then, hit the subscribe button so that you can see when that and other videos come out. Till next time, bye guys. CrimsonMune out.